The mixed irregular verbs. Those are mixed because they have irregular features and regular features in their past forms. Those are only 13 and they shouldn't cause much trouble. After having watched this video, you should already be very familiar with them. And if you don't yet know them by heart, just watch this video twice and you're fine. Let's take a look at the first 4. It's brennen, kennen, nennen and rennen. To burn, to know, to name and to run. And you see in the Präteritum, they turn into brannte, kannte, nannte, rannte. And you see the E turned into an A, which is an irregular feature, but they end in TE. They have the regular Präteritum marker TE, and that's why they are mixed. The past participle Partizip 2 is gebrannt, gekannt, genannt und gerannt. Again the GE as usual. The change from E to A also, which makes them irregular, but the regular T at the end. And you see the change in Präteritum and perfect is the same, so there's only one tiny change. Which, by the way, our technique later on will take care of. You just need to remember that they do not end in EN, they end in T. Or that they have the TE in the Präteritum. That's all. The second tiny group is bringen and denken, to bring and to think. They change a bit more. Bringen changes into brachte, gebracht, denken into dachte, gedacht. And you see, I grouped them together for a reason. And once you know the change for Präteritum, you know the change for the past participle. The last one is a loner. Wissen turns into wusste and gewusst, to know. So those shouldn't cause much trouble to you, especially after having worked through our technique later on. The last 6 are the modal verbs, können, müssen, sollen, dürfen, and so on. Können, one example, in Präteritum is konnte, TE, regular Präteritum marker, but no umlaut here. That's a change. Yeah, the umlaut is very important, so if that goes away, it's a change, significant change. Können turns into konnte, and in the past participle, which is rarely used, gekonnt. The same applies to the others below. This is all you need to know about the mixed irregular verbs. Let's move on.